Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I've got an unboxing of a big rig semi-trailer. Picked this one up at Hobby Lobby. It was on sale for $9.99. I thought that's just too good a deal to pass up. And this thing weighs like there's 4 or 5 models in there. This thing is heavy. And I can't wait to get inside of it. Here we have obviously the side view there. I know nothing about this kit, but I got so excited when I saw the price. It's like, oh yeah, I need that. So you can build it one of two ways, it says. 36-inch highway rig or compact city van. That'd be interesting. It says it includes 2 bonus pallets included. That's nice. Alright, and there's the back side. I guess I could have looked back here to see what's in here, but boy, the weight that's in here is just unreal. So we'll go ahead and cut right into this one. Here's my X-Acto. I think this one opens like a normal box. If I could figure out how to... Yeah, we'll just cut it right there. Alright. Hope everyone's having a great day. Beautiful 70 degrees outside right now where I am. And let's see what we got in here. Alright, first up we have some clear red lights. Bunch of them. Look like the brake lights and side marker lights, maybe the upper runners there. Very nice, very nice. Like that. Oh, look at there, some more red lights. Same exact duplicate. Okay, that helps. Always nice. Here we've got a big old pack of tires. Two, four, six, 8. 8 tires, enough for 2, 4, 6, 8 set of wheels for the backs. These are Goodyears, solid vinyl rubber, all same tread, decent tread on them. Clean them up a little bit, give them that realistic look. Very nice. I'm not going to put them back in the bag, they'll be alright. Then we have this here must be the pallets. It's just 2 trees of the same part over and over to make the pallets. Those are cool. In kind of a tan brown wood color. We'll go ahead and just leave that there. Alrighty. This bag we have some rails and probably part of the frame for the actual trailer. That piece that's all tied up and twisted here. Here we go. Some wheels. Nice looking like bud wheels. Some wheel backs. Miscellaneous little linkages and things. Couple little parts there. These look like the parts that hold the set of wheels to the frame. Got one of those. This is like, I think this is a spare tire holder. And this is possibly a ramp, but maybe not. Let's see what else we get into here. Another set of wheels. Very nice. That's 4. Some nice wheel backs again. The inserts. Here's the ramps here. Well, maybe not. This might be parts of the box again. Axles. Looks like a dolly leg there. And here. Here's the wheels, the dolly wheels. Very nice. That's cool. Alright. Air tank. Some mud flaps that don't say anything on them. They have a little bit of design embossed in them, but they don't say anything. Similar to that Dodge L700 pickup or semi truck I did the other day. Okay. Then we have, well, this has got to be a ramp here. That's a ramp there. And we have maybe the inner floor of the actual trailer. And the other ramp with what would be either the inner floor or Well, this is different. I wonder if this can be put together like this to make a long trailer. Yeah, that would work. Okay. So that's that. And in here's all the weight. This is almost a full bag of sheet styrene here. Wow. That's crazy. I couldn't believe how much heavier this kit was compared to the other normal size kits. Here we have a bunch of these, which could just about be anything. Hinges. Those are hinges for the doors. That's what those are. Yep. Okay. Let me hit. Oh, okay. A little bonus piece flying out there. Here's another piece of plastic. This is all to build the trailer itself. Outside, inside. Again, the opposite side. Here are the trailer doors. And it looks like the framing to make the front and rear portion of the trailer. And this has got to be the roof. And two more sides to make the extended version. Very cool. And then we have the instructions. Big rig semi-trailer. Put your primary frame assembly together. Oh, those other ones weren't ramps. They're part of the frame. Okay. Very nice. Look there. Put your wheels. And here's to make the final assembly. Note, shown upside down. No kidding. Okay. So there's all that. Tire rack, beams, door frames. The front is not a frame, but an actual one piece of plastic that was in there. Okay. There's your ramps. And then how to put the pallets together, and then upcycled pallet ideas. Isn't that crazy? Alrighty. Make a tool rack out of it. That's cool. Okay. And for decals, I don't know if I mentioned it. This kit was on sale for $9.99. I couldn't pass it up. So here we go. We have Auto World. Caution: this vehicle stops at all railroad crossings. We hire safe drivers. Caution: wide right turns. Placard things for your hazmat placards. Suicide, passing side, always love that saying. And the license plates are Michigan, 2 Michigan, and one says semi-trailer Indiana. These two are Michigan, and this one is Indiana. Can't really make out what that is other than just a plate with a bunch of tags on it. I think that's the Auto World symbol. That's this thing here in smaller version. 2 big Auto World decals. Well, that's it, folks. Some safety tape there. Well, that's all she wrote on that one, folks. The Big Rig semi-trailer. I'm sorry I didn't tell you when this came out. Let me look here. Round 2. Yeah, it doesn't have a year on the box. Let's see here. No year. No year there, guys. I'm sorry. That's all the info I have. You have to look up on ScaleMates or something to find the actual year of this one. Well, alright, everyone. I appreciate your time. Thanks for stopping by. Hope to see you on the next one. Happy modeling. Keep on modeling. And have a good one.